Hello and welcome to PASS TV, coming to you live from the PASS Summit, the world's largest gathering of Microsoft data professionals. We have an exciting lineup for you over the next 3 days, with 3 keynotes, 18 technical sessions, and lightning talks. We are sharing just a sample of the amazing educational opportunities available to our attendees in Seattle. Be sure to tune in tomorrow afternoon for the Women in Technology Luncheon featuring Lori Bingham, the Director of Technology, Engineering Project Management at T-Mobile. A full schedule of what's coming up on PASS TV can be found on our website, passsummit.com. Up next, we have our first keynote presentation for the week by Rohan Kumar, Corporate Vice President of Azure Data at Microsoft. Rohan's presentation is entitled SQL Server and Azure Data Services, Harnessing the Future of the Ultimate Hybrid Platform for Data and AI. During his keynote, Rohan will be demonstrating the latest advances from Microsoft along with some very special guests. Before we go to the keynote though, here to help me kick off day one is Rob Mandeville, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Solarwind. Great to have you here, Robert.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Yeah. So let's start. Tell me what's happening in the space that you're operating in right now as far as the emerging technologies that you're working with.
Yeah, no, fantastic. The things that I see are things like, that were kind of in play last year as well, like BI, huge amounts of data, hyper-convergence. I mean, so many exciting things going on with technology nowadays that makes it really challenging for IT professionals in this space. But that also makes it kind of exciting, right? It's kind of cool, like all these new things coming out. So yeah, probably one of the biggest challenges I continue to see is the sheer amounts of data out there. Right, it's never going to get less,
right.
I don't think. So it's like, how do we, if we're just collecting data to collect data, there's really no value add.
Yes.
So we really got to work hard at finding the nuggets of gold within all that data.
Yep.
Yeah, find the value.
Exactly. There's been all these years of collecting data, and now it's, we're at that stage now where we're finding the right uses and the way to monetize that
right.
data.
And really, that's the purposes behind things like BI and machine learning and AI, which is, I think, kind of an overused statement at this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of it's a fun term right now. But
it's a fun term.
Nobody really understands the practicality of it yet.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Exactly.
Tell me about some of the topics that you're going to be interested in seeing for yourself this week here at Summit.
So we will see what I can get to. I'm actually going to be a little limited in where I can go and what sessions I can visit, just because we're a little short-staffed, last-minute kind of family obligations. But some of the things that I'm really interested in is AI, the automation, the autonomous databases, the autonomous tuning. Really taking some of the really difficult tasks that a database professional used to be encumbered with, and how to bring that to the table, kind of seamlessly.
Great.
And is it actually good for your end user?
Yeah.
Right. Changes may be made in the back end that affect end users on the front end. Is it to their advantage or not?
Exactly. Just because you can do it, is it something that's
right.
going to work for the masses?
Right. Perfectly
Great.
said.
So anything else outside of the educational offerings over this week that you're interested in experiencing at PASS?
Yeah, really just connecting with prospects and customers and that's one of the great things about PASS Summit is we really align with their mission and goals as well, and that's really to help the users of the Microsoft Data Platform be as successful as possible.
Right.
So that's our goal as well.
For those that aren't familiar with Solarwind and your product offerings, can you take just a little bit of time and explain Solarwind?
Very little bit amount of time.
Exactly.
But yeah, so we have a product called Database Performance Analyzer, and true to SolarWind's form, we're not very inventive with our naming convention, so it does database performance analysis. It really points to the biggest bottlenecks in tuning opportunities in your environment.
Great, that's fantastic. Well, it looks like it's about time to head over to the keynote. I want to thank Rob for taking the time to talk with us today and for supporting the PASS community as well. Coming up next, we have our opening keynote address presented by Rohan Kumar. Let's check it out.